Hello, my dear friends. We have just opened registration for our new embroidery challenge, and of course, you are the very first to be invited. This time, we have prepared something very special for you. So, during this challenge, we will embroider a beautiful Victorian style sampler with a variety of stitched borders, and we will even be working with beads. Yay! So, you can expect a lot of fun. And at the very end, when we finish our sampler, we will turn it into a sweet pink cushion together. Yeah, so we will sew together it, like turn it in a pink cushion, because so that it's not just something beautiful, yes, but also something you can use every day. Yeah, right? It's also a practical thing. So this challenge is perfect for beginners because we have very clear close-up video tutorials. So even if you have never embroidered before, this could be such a lovely project to start. The challenge runs for 1 week, starting on May 2nd, and every day we will unlock a new tutorial and a new stitch, a new variation. And the lessons are short and sweet, just how we like it. And I think each border takes about 10 minutes to stitch. Yeah. So the link to join us is right under my video, and I can't wait to stitch with you all.